Hello, good morning, good day, good afternoon. Today we're going to discuss, or we're going to have a tutorial on how to use Audacity. Audacity is a very simple and user-friendly apps if you want to record your voice, make some mix or mixing of songs, cutting of songs, and joining them together. This is the best app for you. So first, how are we going to do it? You need to download Audacity in your computer. Now, once you have it, you can start recording by using the red button. So, for example, I'm going to record myself. Okay. Good morning. You are listening to Pinoy Heart Radio. Now we're going to recall on what we have recorded. Good morning. You are listening to Pinoy Heart Radio. As you can see, we have an X here, and we have also an extra line here. But by the way, I forgot, before you go recording, you need first to set your microphone, what microphone you are using. So if you don't have a microphone and you're using only your laptop in a bare, you can use internal microphone context and then just click it. And you also need to check the speaker or the output. So for me, I'm using USB audio codec because I have audio card. So I have to click this one and you have to check. Now, we already have recorded voice here. So the first thing that we're going to do is to cut the extra or the excess one. So just highlight. You can use your right mouse by clicking right and then go to the scissor and cut. And you can also go to this portion and then cut. Now, we have also here an extra line. Remember guys that when you have a flat line, it doesn't have any content. It means it is only a gap of your voice or your recorded voice. So I'm going to play it again. Good morning. You are listening to Pinoy Heart Radio. Okay, so we have to cut this one. So we're going to just highlight and then cut and then highlight and then cut. And then here, you can also highlight and then cut. So now we're going to listen to our recorded voice. Heart Radio. Oops. We need to go to the first part and click it again. Good morning. You are listening to Pinoy Heart Radio. So as you can see, the voice change. The voice are still the same. The voices is still the same, but we just cut the smaller or the what we call the smaller or the flat line. So we don't really need those flat lines, so we have to cut them. Now, if for example you want to change your voice, you can just highlight and then you go to effect. So in effect, there are different ways here. So you can change the bass and treble. Okay, you can amplify. When you amplify, you need to learn how to set this. Okay, so our settings is 0.0. Now let's try to make it 10.0 and here 9.99. If we allow clipping, then we click OK. As you can see, this one changed. Okay, as you can see, this one changed and it became thicker. So now let's try to play it. Good morning. You are listening to Pinoy Heart Radio. Oh, that doesn't really sound good. As you can see, the line here or the indicator that it already went to. Good morning. You are listening to Pinoy Heart Radio. So it means that the output will be very, very dirty, or it will just maybe blow up your speaker. So you don't need to amplify it. Just underline, and you can also, for example, you want to amplify, but just a little bit. Okay. Now let's try. So as you can see, it moved and it became more thicker than. Good morning. You are listening to Pinoy Heart Radio. So as you can see, now we are having a good output. Now you can also check. For example, you are going to you want to make it clean, so you can do the noise reduction. Okay. So when you do the noise reduction, as you can see, this one will be okay. So you have to do it again. Go to noise reduction. You can adjust, get noise profile, and then Good morning. You are listening to Pinoy Heart Radio. So a while ago, it was like a thick voice, and now it became slimmer than the voice that we have a while ago, and it's Good morning. You are listening to Pinoy Heart Radio. Now, so we want to make this thing at the end of the station ID. We're going to make it like change the pitch. So you can actually let's try radio. Okay. So if you're going to play it, good morning. You are listening to Pinoy Heart Radio. So what happened is on this part, it became slower, and then the voice radio. Okay. So now we are going to highlight it again. And then let's try to check if we are going to make another or tempo. Let's check the tempo. Okay. Let's check. Radio. Okay, so let's check the whole thing. Good morning. You are listening to Pinoy Heart Radio. So the radio was it was shortened, and then it became so fast. And now let's try again on how to do it in pitch. Okay, so let's check the pitch if we can do okay. Okay. Now, so this one. Good morning. You are listening to Pinoy Heart Radio. Okay. So now you can see that the effect is here. So you cannot actually change the voice if you don't highlight the particular part that you want to change the effect. So for me, I choose this part, and then it's going out that we are able to change. Now, how are we going to, for example, we're going to add songs. So you only need to go to File, okay, and then Import Audio. So I cannot import audio as of now because it will be a copyright. So this is the only thing that you need to do. Now, there are some people who is asking me, how am I going to save it? You actually need to have a lame. Once you download Audacity, you have a lame, or it goes with lame. You need to upload or download also the lame, and it will join together. So you just go to File. If you save the project here, it will be in the same format. So you cannot do it. You cannot make it into MP3. So you have to go to. Okay. Oh, it's not here. Export audio, because we don't have lame on this. Yeah, that's why we cannot import it, but it should be on this part. So we will be having a tutorial on how to upload lame. I'll try to use one of my device with lame, because this one doesn't have lame. That's why we cannot save it. Okay, so that's it for now. So we will be studying on how to do it soon in our next video or next tutorial. Thank you so much, and have a great day. God bless. Okay, so let's try it. God bless. Thank you so much, and have a great day.